Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, well, in this case, we are gonna start with the DXY, but I'm showing you Bitcoin as I'm doing lately. So, well, first of all, to resume what happened, it looks like United States and Iran achieved an agreement of ceasefire for 2 weeks. Or at least last night it was like that. But today I've already read that Israel broke the ceasefire and, well, they are attacking each other. As you can see, if we look at the Bitcoin chart, it's not fucking moving. So, in my opinion, it means that the market wants to go up. Mm, yeah, I think it wants to go up, and I bought a little bit more of Bitcoin today. I'm gonna keep looking at the chart, but as I said, it looks really nice. And, well, even though we have bad news, it looks like the chart doesn't want to go down. I don't really like all these liquidities here. I'm not gonna lie, but right now it looks like it's holding, even that we are having the worst news right now. Okay, if we have a really bad news and everything, I would understand it. But yeah, so we will see. Okay, DXY. Today I wanted this to be taken to look for some entries on the Euro USD, but we didn't reach the levels. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit more to look for entries. Probably we will see. Okay, and we didn't have, I think. Um, yeah, I didn't really look for entries. Yeah, on London because we created this low at 753, and I would have needed this to be below this low, okay, to look for some entries. So I wasn't able to look for them. So if we go to Euro USD, in this case we took the relevant liquidities, we reached the ATR level, and probably we had a really nice opportunity to trade from. But we didn't meet the criteria with the DXY, so I didn't trade it. Okay, I just didn't trade it. Next round liquidity is down here or up here, so just gonna have to wait and see if we reach some of them. Well, previous weekly highs right here now. So yeah, I can see that these are not round liquidities anymore, I think. So yeah, I just have to wait. I expected something better, some sort of opportunity with the news, but none of them. I think I'm gonna eliminate all this shit because I didn't really trade GU. I only try to look for these, and yeah, we didn't have any trade today. Well, in this case, no, we didn't have it. Nasdaq, I don't really look at Nasdaq right now. But I want to see. I'm thinking out the Asia strategy breakout, the Asia breakout strategy, but I need to backtest it, and I'm backtesting the other one yet. I'm half year. I need to finish this year, 2021, and I think that after that I'm gonna have to study 2024 and 2023, at least some part of the year. So at least I'm gonna be doing this for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, probably. Let's see if I can be less. But, yeah. And Bitcoin, as I said, I bought a little bit more today, so maybe I'm gonna put up. Yeah, it wasn't that much. I bought a little bit, not as much as I bought down. Still waiting for this to be taken, and I'm gonna place this here because this is a really important level with this one, and it would be interesting to break this and create some sort of floor and then going up. Okay, but as I said, that depends on what happens with the war. We still have a lot of buyers liquidity here, so here we left a lot of buyers liquidity too. So yeah, it wouldn't be strange, but it would be better. It would be better if we had something like this. Okay. Ethereum I bought a little bit more today, as it looks really nice for me. So yeah, and Hype, of course. I decided to buy a little bit more. Maybe we can put the price up here, probably. Um, it's not that much that I bought, but the price difference is pretty high. So yeah, probably it went up to there. So still waiting to see how everything develops, but I see that the market wants to go up, and I can feel it because usually, as GCR said, when there are bad or good news and the market doesn't react, it means that um, and it doesn't affect to the price. It probably means that um, that's the floor or that's it off. Okay, so yeah, I believe in that, and as I've been in the markets for 6 years now, and yeah, I'm young, but I've lived a little bit, and I have some experience. And usually this happens. As here, we had some really good news, and yeah, in the end, when that doesn't affect, usually it starts going down. And now we have a really huge war, and the price wants to go up. You can see it here that in theory they started fighting again, and the price is not moving. So yeah. So well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.